This is a quick neuroanatomy review. We're going to look at the lobes of the brain. So the frontal lobe is right here, and the temporal region is right here. The parietal region is right here. The occipital lobe is right in here. And this is the lower part of the brain here, the brainstem. The frontal lobes, so this is actually the front of the brain right here. The front of the brain is responsible for voluntary movement, focus and attention, organization and planning, initiating tasks, following tasks through to completion, and behavioral self-regulation. The temporal lobe, which sits about right here. These smaller areas here are Brodmann areas, which we'll discuss later. The temporal lobes are important for short-term memory, auditory perception, integration of current with past experience, and mood regulation. The parietal lobes, which sit right here. This is the front part of your brain here, the frontal lobe and the temporal lobes. The parietal lobe is right here. It's important for somatic sensation, body awareness, and sensory integration. The occipital lobes, which sit right here on both the left and the right, are important for primary visual perception. They also have other functions. The cingulate gyrus, so this is the front part of your brain here, the back part of your brain here, and this is the cerebellum and lower brain right here. So the cingulate gyrus spans from the front to the back of your brain. It's important for these different functions here. So overactivity of it can lead to anxiety, overfocus, OCD-like tendencies, and insomnia. The limbic system also spans from the front to the back of your brain. It ties the lobes together, so the different lobes are tied together here. It mediates emotional response and modifies the level of anxiety.